Hey guys, how's it going? Jason's here. Let's talk about Conference Panel on your Yeastar S-series PBX. Conference Panel is a visual control panel for your conference calls. You can invite staff out of the office, click to batch invite people, manage all members during the conference. A useful tool to enhance your work efficiency. Well, today, I will show you how to use this feature on S-series PBX to organize and manage a conference call. So, let's jump in and check this out. Log in to the system. We can download and install Conference Panel app in the App Center. Now, go to Call Feature Setting page and find Conference. Click on Add. Let's create a conference. Name it and define the number. Users can dial the number to enter this conference room. Here we create one for Yeastar training team. Normally, a basic settings like this will be enough for a conference room. If you prefer a more advanced conference room, we have more settings down here. Please check the document listed in the description for more details. Now, let's open the conference panel. We can see two parts: Conference List and Contacts. In the list, we can view all the conferences available and the number of connected extension users. In Contacts, we can create contact lists for each conference room. Then we're going to add staff of the training team to a contact list. Just click on Add, name it as URL. Select the extensions of the training team. As you can see, we can add users' mobile number or an external number to the list. In this way, a user who's not in the office can also attend a conference call easily. Save the settings. Now, let's initiate a conference for the training team. Go to the list, click the operation icon. Open Contacts, add the training group to this conference. Select all users and click Invite Selected. Members will receive a call. They answer the call and join the conference. As we can see here, they're online one by one. We can start the discussion. During the conference, we can kick participants out, mute and unmute them, or delete the user from the conference directly. Quite easy to operate. Say we need to invite a member from the marketing team right now. Just click the button to invite him. If he's not in the office, we can select his mobile, add him to the list, and invite him to the conference. If we want to hold this conference again in the future, we can save all the members to a new contact list, set the name, and click on Save. Alright guys, that was how we use the conference panel to organize the conference. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Get more details? Check our document center, and I will see you guys in the next one.